Good day, everyone. Now we are going to find the highest common factor using Euclid's division algorithm. So the question is given like use Euclid's division algorithm to find the highest common factor of 340 and 412, 867 and 255, 10,224 and 9,648, 84, 90, 120. So I'm going to do the first problem. What is the first problem given? It is 340 and 412. So we know Euclid's division algorithm or Euclid's division lemma. What is it? A equal to BQ plus R. So we have to know the divisor. Divisor is B. What is dividend? A. Q is quotient. R is remainder. So now you have to compare these two numbers 340 and 412. Which is the least one? 340. So 340 is your B, 412 is your A. So just you have to write here 412 equal to 340. You have to divide this 340. You have to divide this 412 with 340. So we'll be getting like 340 into 1s are 340 and the remainder is 72. What just you have to you can divide like this. It will be um 340 outside, 412 inside. So 340 ones are 340. So the remainder is 72. This is your remainder. This thing you have to put after the plus symbol. So now compare with the given equation. What is our R? R is 72. This should be equal to 0. Till we get this remainder as equal to 0, we have to proceed this problem till the end. Okay, now this remainder is not equal to 0, 72. So we have to continue. Now leave this 412, take only 340 along with the 72. Now compare this 340 with 72. Which is the highest one? Highest value is 340. So put this in your A place, 340. Now you have to divide this 340 with 72. So just you divide it. 72 outside, 340 inside. So 72 into what's that? 72 into 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 sevens are 28. So the remainder will be what? 340 take over 288 will gives you 52. So 52 is your remainder. 372 into 4 plus 52. Now take your remainder. What is your R? R is 52. Is this equal to 0? No, it is not equal to 0. So you have to leave this 340, take your 72 with 52. Which is the highest one? 72 is the highest one. Put the 72 outside in the place of A. So 52 into 1s are 52 plus 20 is the remainder. That is 52 plus 20 gives you 72. So our remainder is 20. So is this 20 equal to 0? No, it is not equal to 0. So you have to continue with the numbers 52 and 20. So what is the highest value? 52 is the highest value. So put in the A place 52 equal to 20. 20 into 2s are 40. 40 plus 12 gives you 52. Now what is the remainder? 12 is the remainder. Is this equal to 0? No, it is not equal to 0. So leave this 52 and take the 20 along with this 12. Which is the highest one? 12. 20 is the highest one. So 12 ones are 12 plus 8 gives you 20. Now what is the R? R is 8. Is this equal to 0? No, it is not equal to 0. So leave 20, take 12 and 8. Which is the highest one? 12 is the highest one. So put the 12 outside in the place of A. So your B is now 8. 8 ones are 8 plus 4 gives you 12. Now what is the remainder? 4 is the remainder. It is equal to 0? No, it is not equal to 0. So leave this 12 and take the 8 and 4. Compare 8 and 4. 8 is the highest value. So put in the place of A. So 4 twos are 8 plus 0. So now that is you can simply write and see. Divide this 8 with the 4. 4 twos are 8. And what is the remainder? 0 is the remainder. So we have got the remainder as 0. So with this we have to stop the that is remainder is 0, we have to stop here. Then what is the HCF? HCF of 340 and 412 is your B. What is the B value here? 4 is the B value. So our answer is 4. Thank you, students.